Hi, so welcome to the third video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to set up design tools in Canvas so that you have access to all the tools you need to create your course content. And also I'm going to go over how to create and edit tables and also how to deal with images on your page. So what I ended up doing was duplicating the Explore page template and dropping it into this new module. So I'm going to click into this Explore page and go over those items with you. So to get to the design tools, which we're going to do first, is go into edit mode. And my design tools automatically launch, but yours probably don't. So you can access that through the little rocket icon. And I would suggest following along with me at this point, because you're going to need to set up your design tool settings so that you can access certain functionalities. So once you have your design tool settings up, and you'll only need to do this once, and then it's set throughout all the pages. You can copy whatever is toggled on and off. For me, I'm just going to scroll down slowly so that you have time to make those changes along with me. So go back and do that here. Okay, so hopefully you were able to catch all of that, but if not, feel free to ping me on Slack and we can help you set up your design tools. So once you have all your design tools set up, you can start better formatting your tables, images, and interactions, a bunch of stuff. So now what I'm going to do is open this view and scroll down until I see something that would be helpful for you. So the Explore page is unique in my template in that I kept a lot of structures because it's easier to just swap out the text within them, especially because the Explore page is so long. But I'm not sure what your future content will look like, so you can always delete what I have created here and create your own tables, sections, what have you. The first thing I wanted to go over is how to work with tables. So in order to, let's say you wanted to delete this table, you would just click on the table and then hit this X icon. If you wanted to add a column on either side, you could do that. The plus signs indicate adding, and then the X's will indicate if you want to delete a whole row or column. Yeah. Another thing is positioning of the table. So you can either move it this way, which might move the text, so that's kind of a hit or miss situation. What is better to do is go to this icon here, and under alignment, choose which alignment works best. Usually center is what I choose, and then save. Let's say that this table isn't working for you and you want to create your own table. So I'll just create that here. You can go to Insert, table and then choose however many rows or columns that you need. And from there, I will align that to center and then save. And then what you can do is start filling this in. To format these tables, you can select this table and then click on this like bullseye icon here, and this would jump to current element style panel. So this will be a very helpful icon for you to deal with pretty much any style related changes you need to make. So once you click here, you're going to see the table header footer style section, and what you want to select is basic, bordered, striped, and if there's a heading, you can click on this head row here. And that's pretty much how all of your tables are formatted. So yeah, hopefully this helps you. I will delete this for now though, and move on to images. So for these images of Arabic letters, we try to keep it small because it'll take up too much page space. So usually it's around like 1 something pixels. This is about 116 by 124. It doesn't have to be exact, but in order to swap that out, you will do the same thing I did with the banner. Just delete, insert, image, and you can upload a new letter. Once it's in there, it'll be the original size, so you will have to drag it into the appropriate size. And this might not be applicable for this particular image, but if you go into image options and see the alt text, it's best if you describe whatever it is that is there for accessibility purposes so that a screen reader can pick up what's on the page. You can also get to that through this bullseye icon. And if it's a decorative image, you can just check that as well. Another thing you can do with this image size, position, and style section of the current element style, you can change how it's positioned on the page and whether it's bordered. We like to use this this styling a lot, so keep that in mind. I also wanted to mention that for these sections, I still kept a lot of the original elements and images so that you have an idea of what it'll look like and where to swap things out. So just in the same way you swapped out the images, you can also swap out the audio. And hopefully that's helped you understand how to start editing these pages through the design tools. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to edit other items within these pages using the design tools. So stay tuned for that.